Hi guys, I'm Umar, your O-level biology teacher, and this is my second video on this chapter cell structure. And in previous video, we saw about the boundaries of cell wall. Now today we will see uh, the the structure and functions of these boundaries. Now let's start with cell wall. Just to recall you people that the plant cell has two boundaries. The outer one is cell wall and inner one is cell membrane, but the animal cell has only cell membrane. Cell wall is absent in animal cell. Now cell wall, as far as its composition is concerned, it is made up of a chemical named as cellulose. But please remember, there are some other organisms also which have cell wall. Now, as far as plants are concerned, cell wall is made up of cellulose. Fungi and some bacteria have also cell wall. Cell wall in fungi is made up of a different chemical named as chitin. Some bacteria also possess cell wall, but their cell wall is made up of yet another chemical named as peptidoglycan. So please remember, cell wall in plants is made up of cellulose, cell wall in fungi is made up of chitin, cell wall in some bacteria, because some bacteria have cell wall, so in bacteria cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. But right now we are talking about plant cell. So plant cell wall is made up of cellulose. Now, as far as its functions are concerned, cell wall is fully permeable. Fully permeable means any kind of molecule can pass through it. Cell wall helps cell in becoming turgid. Now, what does that mean? It means that whenever too much water enters, whenever whenever too much water enters plant cell, cell will not rupture, rather it becomes hard and rigid. This is called as turgor. So I repeat, cell wall help cell in becoming turgid. What does that mean? Whenever too much water enters plant cell, cell will not rupture because of cell wall. Rather, it becomes hard and rigid. This is called as turgor. And please remember, turgor is very important in providing support to the soft parts of plants. Please remember that turgor is very important in providing support to soft parts of plant. Because if one cell can become hard and rigid by the entry of too much water, now just imagine that if some organ has 100 cells, all cells are turgid, so in the whole organ there will be a support. Lastly, cell wall gives definite shape to the cell. Whatever type of shape cell has, this is because of cell wall. If cell is rectangular, cell is square shaped, cell is round, this is because of cell wall. Cell wall gives definite shape to the cell. So listen once again, my dear students. Cell wall in the case of plants is made up of cellulose. In the case of fungi, it is made up of chitin. In the case of some bacteria, cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. Cell wall is fully permeable. That means any kind of molecule can pass through it. Cell wall helps in turgor. And turgor means that whenever too much water enters plant cell will not rupture because of cell wall. Rather, it becomes hard and rigid. This is called as turgor. Turgor is very important in providing support to the soft parts of the plant. And finally, cell wall gives definite shape to the cell. Now we will discuss about cell membrane, which is the only boundary in animal cell and the second one in the case of plant cell. As far as chemical composition of cell membrane is concerned, cell membrane is made up of three chemical substances. It is a mixture of three chemicals: lipids, proteins, and carbohydrates. As far as functions of cell membrane is concerned, cell membrane is partially permeable. Partially permeable mean that some molecules can pass through it while others cannot. So we can say cell membrane controls what will enter or what will leave cell. Also, active transport and osmosis takes place through cell membrane. For active transport and osmosis to occur, the presence of cell membrane is compulsory. So I hope you enjoyed this lecture. Next time we will go into inside of the cell. We will see what is present in inner side of the cell. Till then, goodbye.